Hi, I'm Janice, and I'm going to tell you about the in colors for 2022. There are 5 new in colors, and they're on page 143 in your catalog, and they look like this. And we have Bumblebee and Cinnamon Cider, Just Jade, Magenta Madness, and Misty Moonlight. And those are the regular in colors, and then there's designer paper that goes with them. And they are on page 144. And there are dots and little swirly wood grain, words, and then there are dots. So there's 2 sides to each one. Those are in a 6x6 pad. And there are matching enamel dots that go with this. And there is ribbon that goes with all of them. And as I show you the cards that I made with the tulips and the perennial flower and the large daisy and the small daisy and the tulip again, you'll see that we've used all of the different pieces and parts, and there's ribbon for each of the colors. There's a gingham ribbon for the bumblebee, and there's just a nice soft ribbon for the other colors. So there's also a regular single colored ribbon for the bumblebee as well. So when I made my samples, I used the tulip set, which is a bundle for the punches and a stamp set. So I'll move some of this out of the way, and then I'll show you some of the things that I did. So I used the tulip stamp set and stamped with the pear pizzazz, and this is the tulip stamp set and the pear pizzazz, and then I put the little hello on there, and then I punched out with the punch, and using that, and you get the blossom and you get what is sometimes a leaf, but I use that to do the dimensional on the tulip. So you need 2 of the leaves and 1 of those to do that card. And on page, on page 144, the punches are on 165 to 169 are where all the punches are. And I used the large and the small daisy punches, and I used the perennial flower is the other punch that I used to make some of them. And then I have an old little circle dot punch that I use to punch out for the centers of these things. So I used those. So the punches are listed on pages 165 to 169. And the first group of punches are just single ones that you can buy. And then on page 68 to 169, it is the bundles of punches, which are stamp sets and a punch that come together, so you get a little discount off of those. So you can buy bundles. So there's the bundles for the tulip is still a bundle, and there's a new jar, and there's a postage for you, and there's some flowers, and the heartfelt stamp set for the heart punch pack, and the heart is still in there, and there's a new label punch that we'll be going over another time. So that is what we're doing with punches. So those are the in colors. So there is solid packages of in colors that you can purchase, or you can get assorted ones, or you can buy them, and then there is the designer paper that matches them. So that is the in colors. So these are the cards that I had made. So we used the large daisy and the small daisy, perennial essence, and the tulips, and tied ribbon and stamped and assembled them with some designer paper. So I hope you now understand and find all of the designer papers and all of the other papers in the catalog. And this is the new in colors for the 2022 catalog years. So that will be what you'll be looking for this year. And there's all over the catalog. You'll find them everywhere. They match wonderfully with all of the other colors. Thank you.